Hey guys, it's Resin Belle. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be painting a miniature painting. I told you in a few videos back that I'm going to be doing lots of different kinds of crafts and kind of branching out, not just doing resin on this channel, and had some nice support from some great people. So I'm one of those people that gets very tired of doing the same thing over and over. Maybe it's ADD, whatever the case. I like to do a lot of different kinds of crafts. So that's where I'm going with this. Right now I am really enjoying making miniatures. I am working on a dollhouse and I will be showing you video on that as well. I will be getting back to doing resin. I have some more projects planned and we'll be sharing those with you, and a few more sponsors that I will be sharing their products with you as well. But for the moment, this is where I'm at, and I'm going to be showing you what I'm doing. So today I'm going to be working, or I am working with a tutorial on YouTube by Art of John Magna Lisandra. I assume that's how you say his name. Not great at that. So the video name is Acrylic Landscape Painting Lesson, Morning in Lake by J.M. Lisandra. And I will link that in the description box below if you want to try to follow his tutorial as well. He does a very good job of showing you what he's doing. So this is my third miniature painting ever, and I'm really enjoying doing it. The paints I'm using are Artist Loft acrylic paints, and I will link those in the Amazon links in the description box below as well. I really like them. They're very fluid, medium density acrylic, so they're great for doing little paintings and stuff. The kit that I got was 24 different colors. They come in the little tubes, and I think it was $19 or something. But I'll find some of those on Amazon and link them in the description box below as well if you want to find any of those. But so I'm just going to get off here. I'm going to put a little bit of music on, and you can follow along for my little miniature painting. And at the end, I'll be making a frame for it, a fancy frame. And so stay tuned for that.